Now I have to match my phone up this way, and there it's locked in.
Welcome to Motos, Cades, and Coffee.
Hey, good morning guys, it's Andy from Motos, Cades, and Coffee. Today I'm going to get an unboxing video of an SP Connect phone mount and anti-vibration mount. So let me get some video of it and I'll show you what the unboxing looks like, and we'll get the install. So opening the package up gets you the bar clamp mount, which I'll show you a little closer, and the anti-vibration unit. So I'll get some close-up video of unboxing these, what they look like, and how it fits the phone. So let's take a look about what's in the box. There's two things that I brought. One is the actual mount for the phone, and I'll show you how it actually mounts to the phone and what it looks like. This one actually mounts to the riser, and one of the bolts in there fits in the riser, and I'll show you why I'm doing that. I actually have a handlebar mount on one of my motorcycles that I use, but I wanted to go a little different and put this actually in the bar clamp mount Pro. And this is the anti-vibration module. For iPhones, especially for iPhone 11s, there's a big problem with the vibration wrecking the cameras. And this module fits within your phone system, within the bar clamp, and makes it so it eliminates some of the vibration. There's what the back shows. And I'll show you both mounts, one for the bar mount and one for the handlebar mount, and one for the mount that goes in the triple tree. So let's go ahead and unbox. First one is the bar clamp mount Pro SP Connect. It's like you probably want to open from the bottom. Knife or scissors. Let's see what we got. Okay. Bolts, directions, and the bar mount. All right, and there's the directions. All right, that's simple enough. Looks like I'll need an Allen key. Is there one? There is not one. I'll figure out what size I need and let you know. And this is the anti-vibration unit, which actually fits right here. So this part fits on top of there. You replace it out. I'll show you how that works. Same thing. There we go. This one pulls out. Anti-vibration unit, and luckily there's an Allen key on this one, so I don't have to get one. This is what this looks like. It's fatter and thicker than the standard mount for the phone. So I'll show you how to install it next. All right, we'll show you how to install it now. Gonna get my little Allen key out. And what we got to do is basically loosen this part up. So this part comes off. And basically I'm just gonna put this one back in like that. You mount it, so these are facing how you wanna put the phone vertically and then make it horizontally when you twist it. So just screwing this part in. There we go. All right, so there's my mount. I'm using my broken iPhone 11 Pro, cracked screen. This is really an iPhone 12 case to show you how the SP Connect works. It fits good enough, but so this is a case, and pretend this is sitting on your motorcycle. Basically what that is you put it on right in there, see how it matches up, and just twist and it stays. And depending on how you mount it, you can either have it so it mounts vertically or horizontally, but it all depends on how you set up the twist of the of this part. But as you can see, it won't come off and that's the anti-vibration unit. Here's my 2018 Harley Davidson lowrider. This is where my phone mount sits. I want to get rid of this. It's a RAM mount. I'm not a big fan of it. So I'm hoping I can take this off and put the SP Connect right in here. So let's go ahead and show you how that's done. All right, we're gonna need a 1/4 size Allen wrench. I think I'll put actually I think I'm gonna put it right here on this one. So first of all, I gotta take this part off. There we go. One hand is not great, excuse me. Okay, taking the bolt out. Saving this, because I think I'll need to reuse it. All right, found the mount. Basically, fits right in there. I'm gonna put the bolt in right there and tighten it up. So let me go ahead and do that. All right. It might not be long enough. I might have to get a longer bolt. Luckily, the kit came with longer bolts, so I'm putting it in, and let's see if that's the right size. It might be too big still. Looks like it is. So that's the size bolt that was in my handlebars. This one is what came with the kit. I need to take a little bit off the long one. I'll tell you the size in a second. Hold on. So I measured the size of the bolts. This one is 1.5. That's 2. I'm gonna go 1 3/4 and just cut it, manually cut it, and then put it back in. All right, I got the bolt the right size. I think I got to put this lock washer in right there. Doing this all one-handed. Right there, put it in there. That looks like that's it. Put it in. All right, so now, there we go. Screw it in. It's a different size. Different size Allen wrench. I'll get the size. Let's see. Okay. All right, so now, there we go. There we go. All right. There we go. It's going in there nice. Just got to tighten it up. It's in the spot that I want. So now what I have to do is just tighten this part down. Again, this is a tool that came in the kit. That's exactly how I want it. Bring up. Okay, so now this is tight. I'll show you how the phone fits. All right, so there's the phone, and the way it's set up right now is to have it vertically mounted. So remember, you have to match these holes up, the holes on the back there. So now that's how it would mount. I don't like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this around so it will mount horizontally instead of vertically. So how I do that, it's locked into place right there. It's not gonna move, but I gotta adjust that one and turn it 90 degrees. Okay, I adjusted this 90 degrees. Now I have to match my phone up this way. And there it's locked in. Harleys have a USB charger, so I'll just put the USB charger in there. You can't really see on this phone because it doesn't match up great, but that's it. That is your USB mount and anti-vibration on the Harley Davidson lowrider handlebar mount. And to come off, it just comes up like that. But you can see how quick it is to mount your phone with the SP Connect. Now, for those of you who want to see, I have it on my other bike. It's on a handlebar mount, so let's go check that out. Here's my other motorcycle. It's a Royal Enfield Himalayan. You can see it's a handlebar mount. I put it right there next to the handlebar. Same thing. I just have to match it, and there. Okay, there is my handlebar mount. You can see my phone's powering on. But let me know what you guys think. I've already ridden it with this plenty of times, and it's way easy, way quicker than a RAM mount, and the anti-vibration is very good at keeping the camera a little bit better than normal. So please like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see, and if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. So I forgot to mention how much everything costs. So $30 for the iPhone 12 phone case. The bar clamp mount was showing for the Pro was $69.99, so $70. And the anti-vibration unit, let me see if I can find that, was about $35. So 70, 80, 90, 105, about $130 for the entire kit for the bar clamp mount. $70 or $80 for the bar clamp mount, but I do like the handlebar mount, but I do like the bar clamp mount. I think it's cleaner and a little more flexibility.